And after Sonia Gandhi defended the decision to give a ticket to Adarsh tainted Ashok Chavan, there's another boost for Ashok Chavan. The CBI has sought relief for Chavan. The CBI wants Ashok Chavan's name to be removed as an accused in this case. The CBI has filed a revision petition in the Bombay High Court challenging the order of the special CBI court, which had refused to drop the former Maharashtra Chief Minister's name from the list of accused in the Adarsh case. Now, the CBI appealed in court saying grant permission to drop Ashok Chavan's name from the Adarsh FIR because there is no sanction to prosecute Ashok Chavan. And headlines today's Vivek Nair now joins me for Devesh Nair now joins me for more on this story. Devesh, why is the nod not coming from the governor's office to prosecute Ashok Chavan? And now that the Congress party president has said there is no legal bar on an election commission bar on Ashok Chavan to contest, the CBI is taking the convenient exit, the opposition would say.
Well, clearly, Gaurav, earlier in the lower special CBI court, when the CBI had filed an application in a few months back saying that they could not prosecute Ashok Chavan because he being a former CM, there needs to be a sanction from the governor, and the governor, using his discretion power, he has rejected the CBI's appeal to give a sanction to it. And after that, only that the CBI had approached the lower court saying that they need to drop the name of Ashok Chavan from the accused list because the prosecution has not given the governor has not given them the orders to prosecute. At that point of time, the lower court had maintained that even though the governor has not given them orders to prosecute, they could still try Ashok Chavan for Prevention of Corruption Act. And to that, at that point of time, the CBI has said that they would be more than happy to try Ashok Chavan in the case. But now, yesterday, what we know from the CBI sources is that they have filed a revision petition in the Bombay High Court challenging the order of the lower court. And in the days to come, remember there are a number of cases that have been filed in the High Court in connection to the others cases. There are various litigations that has been there in the High Court from quite a number of years in regards to the others case. Now with this new application that has been moved by the CBI, we'll have to wait and watch what the Bombay High Court decides in this particular case. Back to Gaurav.
For the moment, Devesh Nair, many thanks for joining me.